In this video, I will show you step by step how to use blue light card in Asda online to shopping or make shopping like this. For example, if you want to add shopping and make purchase online, follow me on these steps. First, download your Asda Rewards app, search for Asda Rewards app, click this one, download on this official website. You can download on Google Play. This is Asda Reward Points. This is after download this app. Full this register with your blue light card number, just like your card name and expires and all these details. Fill all details here on this app. After filling all these details, guys, click shop in store normal. For example, you want to shop on this product, click add to cart on this section. And when you click add to cart, write your own information here to such your email and password, and then click in a shop store and save your time to check out. And then, guys, you can build your cash pot balance and you can spend your next visitors. Just download this is as the reward app and you can use this card number. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget, give me a like and share this video.